Ukubheka ngeso elibukhali intuba yokungena nokuphuma kuleli. Izikhulu zichithe usuku lonke zibheka isibalo sabantu abahambayo. Ngaphandle kwamahhovisi abokufika, abavumeleke ukuhamba bebambe omunye umugqa. Izikhulu zithi kunenselela eZimbabwe njengoba ingafuni ukwamukela abaqhamuka kuleli.
A second dependency is also what is it that Zimbabwe can receive, and as we can see here now that a lot of buses are already cleared, passengers are already cleared, and they are waiting for transiting into Zimbabwe. So we have a problem there as well. But what we have done over the last 48 hours is to see whether we could ensure that the road between Musina and eBeitbridge remain cleared for outgoing traffic as well as incoming traffic.
Abagibeli kanye nabashayeli bezimoto ezincane banethemba lokuthi bazochitha amaholide asele kaKhisimudi enemndeni yabo emva kokuvumeleka ukuphuma kuleli.
For now, I've done everything. My bus is already cleared and I've already stamped the passports. I'm now going to Zimside now.
I'm quite hopeful. We're going for a funeral, so I reckon we will cross today.
Kaphandle komngcele isimo asisihle kubashayeli bamaloli.
Now I'm about 5 kilometers to the border. I've got 4 days now, so I don't know when I'm going to reach the border. It's very unfair because now I've got groceries and presents, everything for the kids.
Bayisikhombisa abantu oqinisekisa ukuthi bashonile. Owesishiyagalolunye kubike ukuthi uqulekile washona ngesikhathi sengaphakathi emngceleni.
The two that died on the 14th, there were another one that died on the 22nd, another two on the 23rd, and another one on the 24th. So we're talking about 8 people that died over the last few days.
Emngceleni namhlanje kunongajwayelekile njengoba sisephezulu isibalo sabantu abadlulayo. Kujwayeleke ukuthi ngosuku lukaKhisimudi kusuke sekushaya umoya.